Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 13, Congruency of the triangle. Now, today we are going to see if we take two figures like this, if we take these two figures and put it in this way, see the figures exactly coincide with each other are called the congruent figures. Now, in this figure, we can say that the segments of equal length means these segments and this. See this segment and these segments are equal length, and these two segments, this and these segments are having equal length, and angle of this angle and this angle are right angle. Also here the angles are right angle. These angles are also right angle, but these two angles are not right angle, but these two angles are congruent with each other. In this way we can see that the angles of equal measure are congruent. The segments of equal length are congruent. This segment and these segments are having equal length. Also these two segments which are having more than length than this segment, but this segment and these segments are having equal length, then we can say that the two segments are, if the two segments are having equal length, then the segments are congruent. Similarly, we study today the congruency of the triangle. If we take two triangles, see the triangle ABC and this triangle PQR. Now see, in this triangle ABC and PQR, if we put these two triangles on in this way, then we see that the two triangles are match exactly, coincide with each other. If we rotate this triangle like this, then see the triangles are not coincide with each other. If we put this triangle in this way, see the triangles are not match with each other. So there is only one way which is matching the two triangles exactly, means we can say that the angle P and angle A are having congruent angle, angle C and angle Q are having congruent angle, this angle R and angle B are having a congruent angle. Similarly, the sides of this PR and AB are congruent. Then the sides this AC and PQ are congruent. Then the side CB and QR are having equal length. So we can say that these two sides are congruent. In this way, we can say that the way of matching congruency of the triangles, the way of matching the vertices is called one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of the triangle. Means in this way only there is a one-to-one way of the matching vertices. Means this Q and C match with each other, this A and P match with each other, this B and R match with each other. If we change the way, then see the vertices are not matching, means we can say that the way of matching the vertices is called one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of the triangle. Then these are the two triangles ABC and PQR. In these two triangles we get three pairs of corresponding sides and the three pairs of the corresponding angles. Example, if we take the ABC one-to-one correspondence PQR, means we can say that A match with P and B match with Q and C match with R. Then we write down the pairs, three pairs of corresponding angles and three pairs of corresponding sides. In this way we write down angle A one-to-one correspondence with angle P, angle B one-to-one correspondence with angle Q, angle C one-to-one correspondence with angle R. Then pairs of corresponding sides. From this we can write down the sides. Side AB congruent with side PQ. Then second pair, side BC congruent with side QR. Side BC congruent with side QR and side AC congruent with side PR. In this way we can write down the one-to-one correspondence. Means here we say that I am saying that this side AB congruent side PQ means side AB one-to-one correspondence side PQ. This arrow indicate that one-to-one correspondence. Here also one-to-one correspondence. Here also one-to-one correspondence. But after we want to prove that the triangles are congruent, at that time we write down side AB congruent side PQ. Means we can say that the side AB is one-to-one correspondence with side only PQ, not this QR, this PR. Now we see the test of the congruency. The group of the three particular conditions which are sufficient for the congruency of two triangles is called test for the congruency of the triangle. Now see here we say that there are the six pairs, three of the angles and three of the sides. Out of these six we must know the group of three, the group of three particular conditions which are sufficient for the congruency of two triangles is called test for the congruency of a triangle. The test for congruency of triangle, that is the first test, SSS test. Now in this test, if for the given correspondence of the vertices of two triangles, three sides of one triangle are congruent with the three corresponding sides of the other triangle. The two triangles are congruent. Now in this test, the three sides of the one triangle and corresponding sides of the three sides of the other triangle are the congruent, then we can say that by the test of SS test, these two triangles are congruent. See the example in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC one-to-one correspondence PQR. In this figure, see this side AB. Here we write down to mark PQ, means AB and PQ are the matching sides. AC and PR also matching, means we can say that the congruent side. Then BC and QR, these two sides are congruent. We write down here segment AB congruent segment AB congruent segment PQ. Then segment BC congruent segment QR. Then segment AC, this segment AC congruent segment PR. Then we can say that the triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by SS test. In this way, we prove the one of the test, SS test. Good day, goodbye, okay.